I think it's design that tries in some way to be contemporary and to make statements about contemporary living, and of course, because it's design, it tries to be also commercial. I don't know. Actually, it could be paradoxal because design usually it's not critical. So, in my opinion, I can understand it in the way that it's critical, like should art be sometimes, and it's designed because it uses the consumer society as a basis or a background to make these critics. I think my perception of the reality tried to be very clean of imposed elements of tradition. That's why I realized that there is a lot of things that we are following with nonsense, and I tried to create or to design products for a way of living that, in my opinion, is more contemporary. Well, if we go into the role of the designer, I think that it's a long time that expanded its influences, and it's not anymore focused on shapes and materials and doing nice things, but it deals with the complexity of the consumer society, and that means a lot of information, a lot of things to manage from plenty of diverse fields. And the other thing is that the products that I am designing, not, or mostly they are not physical. So it means that it changed, the world changed so much that design also changed. That's why I think it's possible for a designer to do much more things. Well, if I want to be very analytic, humor is the tool that allows you to be critical in consumerism. Maybe the car mirror could be a way to make a statement about what represents something like a car, or how a car changed from a tool to a piece of fashion, and in a way that it's completely funny or completely something that you like to do. So you can have these different layers. You can see the car mirror as a very critical element, but you can see it also as a very joyful thing. I don't know. I don't know, because okay, what I see from my work, that there are so many layers that you can see it from a lot of different point of views. Let's say that being critical can be one of these layers, but I don't know if it could be a movement. Maybe yes. I think it depends on the purpose. If you do it to express yourself and free from commerce, could be art. If you do it for commercial purposes, then it's design. It can be cultural or geographical, meaning that maybe in some regions or cultures it's more appreciated and in others not. And but I think that for me interesting is this idea that products of consumer products could be also critical, meaning that it means not that if they are critical, you don't have to consume it. In this sense, I think it could be an evolution of the market.